Yeah, that's what they do down here.
What is this, honey? What's this? The ice cream?
Probably little pieces of pumpkin.
Pumpkin? Pieces of pumpkin? That's so good.
Yeah, that's what it is. Plenty of 60s, but no 59s. I might put in Pile Dash in this one. Spent a lot of money on some wheels. It's pretty, but it's so low to the ground you can't see the back wheels, so you might as well be running some donuts or something, I guess. Real nice black.
Time though?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's some money there. They're gonna roll that car back. Dragging something underneath. Mm-hmm.
I feel much better about that.
Sedan DeVille. This is a 210 two-door hardtop. You very rarely see these. That's it. I like these cars that color, black and white. Still got the plastic on the seats. They put plastic on the seats back in. Alright, some of y'all's probably wondering why I'm putting this in my video, but I was astonished. This thing has 4 alternators. But I actually didn't see that until I'd done seen all the audio equipment. So if you're into stereos, I haven't ever seen one that's this nice of a vehicle. Very clean, body paintwork, all top notch. And then all the flying saucer speakers, that's kind of cool. But totally impractical. No space in the back whatsoever. All sealed up. 32-inch rims. Workmanship on this thing, I mean, you can't deny it's very, very well done and very clean. I wish somebody that's this meticulous could put a stereo in my Z34 Lumina, because seems like in our area we have trouble getting stuff done without taking forever. So there's their business card if you might need something like this done. I'm sure they could do mild or wild. Me, I'm more of a mild stereo type of person, but very nice, very well done. Another one of the more of the weird files here. We got a square body Chevy 4-wheel drive, and it's clean underneath as the outside pretty much. Probably actually better underneath. All kind of fancy suspension. And you'll have to forgive my ignorance. I'm not a big, I don't really know what I'm looking at here. But I can tell that the quality of the build is good and it's on point, and I wanted to showcase that in my video because I appreciate quality work, and that's way nicer than anything I drive underneath. And body and paint on the outside is pretty dang good too. So there's so much down here from down here in 2023 Turkey Run, just stuff for sale in the car corral that's just absolute garbage and wanting huge money for it. If you want to buy a car, come out in the car show area, talk to the owner. You can probably get a better car for a whole lot less money or about the same price, and get something that somebody actually cares. That's been my experience so far, and it's like that at most shows. All right, so we got a 65 Pontiac here. If you look at the car, it's pretty nice. I want to show you a few things on it that you got to watch out for. You start taking a closer look, and then that's just rust. It's bondoed over. Not to mention, you can see rust puking out, and then you go down through here. The car's actually pretty straight. You got all this bad prep work here. So be careful out there, folks.
There's
no cushion.
Yeah. It's just.
Yeah, they always park together, or very close to each other. Over there. That's a Coupe de Ville. So yeah, that's actually the wider and pleats on the seats. Here's another one over here.
Not 59 to 56. 56, yep. I got a 380 three-stroker, a blueprint, great motor. Yeah. We put a Holly Sniper on it, Holly Sniper, just make sure everything is spot on. This thing's fired up.
This thing's pretty wild. That's like Dom's Charger from Fast and Furious. They fly on them things.
I know. It's thick.
Well, it's got original paint on top of this car.
Wow.
Oh, sorry. The amount of $65,000-ish Chevelles down here that are absolutely trash is astonishing. Y'all have got to be careful out there buying these cars. I try to not make my videos all about this pointing out a bunch of crap, but I gotta say it, or I don't feel right if I don't. There is a lot of people, and maybe these people ain't intentionally out to get you. Maybe they didn't do the work on the cars. Maybe they don't know anything about body and paint. Maybe they don't even know what that they own. But when you've got a $60,000 car, and the first time I walk up in cars, for example, I walk up and I look in the edge and I see rust on this particular one, but that's a problem. And to me, it's shameful that people would do that and try to take advantage of people, and it gives everyone who deals with old cars a bad name and a bad rep. And we're simply, all of us ain't that way. So be careful what you're buying. You can follow me on my other videos of redoing my 59 Impala and some of the nightmares I found with that car. That is nothing to what I see covered up down here on cars priced in a $50,000 to $60,000 range. Never mind if they're real or what they claim they are. That don't even matter. These cars need total restoration. Someone's probably not even fit to drive on the road. Just be careful, y'all. Picture of
I think that's the first 442 wagon I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's that Altronic eye. That's nice. Original paint, looks like. Sedan division.